with who, when, and how in terms of our communication channels. So as communications, we have a platform ya internal communications. Le esisebenzisayo ka-ZZZ. Esisebenzisa ngani ngama seculars lawa asuke approve eshodini no DDG. And then as communications, when we're communicating with our external stakeholders, we use our platforms media. Mass media, it can be electronic ne print media. However, yeah, we have our challenges, our finances. So, let's shift not in the fourth industrial revolution. Sa adopt a system of social media, which is instant. The evidence will present very soon. So, in most cases, we distribute, we interact through social media. Even though we are internal stakeholder, we encourage that you follow us as communications platforms in order for you to be informed of our events, issues, and whatever information that is taking place with social media. Today we are here at Harry Gwala. The MEC is at Beckville. If you are following us, the MEC is there and we are here. So while Sigu ECD, Babunzima, as we are rotating our district, I've realized as Gasa as communications. I feel that it's important for us that we work with the work streams as communications to assist them to unpack their information, because there are still challenges, and without spending any finances, we can create like we can communicate through social media, like frequently asked questions. We provide responses from legal can guide. We work with illegal as there are challenges, and then responses are, and then we share with social media. That is why I'm saying it's important that you follow us. We can also share internally. However, it's important to new air for IR. Okay. Okay, as I have mentioned, our challenges, our finances, but we are resolving our social media. And then Bamzima, I still feel now we really need. I'm not too sure whether Sisanga was in launch ECD function shift. I don't remember see launch. However, we can use our platforms like media things to unpack. Community, external stakeholder really needs this information. Internal community it's very important. And in terms of where and discuss the issue community radio stations. I think now we still need. Media is over, but we are still discussing our internal issues. But moving forward, we really need our engagements and Jali. Okay. Although there are competing programs with department, I told her ECD package. We are there. Okay. Moving forward, as I have, during the internal ECD function shift meetings, as Gatek show, there are so many forums that there are friends of ECD, but then with those meetings we assisted to identify our stakeholders that is still now. Also, we are monitoring our media trends in terms of ECD, as Ubamzima mentioned, Ubuti also cat managers are very important with system, because Ibona Abala Pezansi Ubus assist with information. Mina is from communications. When I get the query, I contact with district director if we district Harry Gwala, and then the district director have to rely on circuit manager for information. So our circuit manager kufanele babe well informed about some developments at ECD. So another thing is communication. We have a desire to be involved in our meetings at ECD so that just on board with my developments. Moving forward, as much key success factors. However, I've realized no asikagenzi kakhulu, so sisadinga ukuthi sisebenze. Sengiyasaba nje ukusho ukuthi na bengangitheni eqaleni. Yeah, so lokho bese ngimentionile ke kona fanele sisuke strengthen kancane, and then so that sizokwazi nathi ukuba proud ukuthi sisebenza kanjani. Okay, moving forward, ngizomkhulumisa kancane social media because ubalekile ngoba unawo ama addresses wona engizonginothela wona down. Currently nje into ye social media is very important now. We new era of technological innovation. So as I'm speaking now, Umondli Kungubele, the Minister for Communications, is having e-bricks with all Minister of Communications in our countries now are former e-bricks to discuss these issues in technological innovation. So we really need to keep up with speed, it's a social media. So as communications as a department, we have our social media platforms of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. In order to follow us on Facebook, our
handles.
Our handles to Facebook KZN DOE. On Facebook, KZN DOE. Then you are able to follow us. And moving forward to Instagram page, we are at KZN underscore education. At KZN underscore education. I'm not too sure also another line. Then we're moving to Twitter at DPE underscore KZN. YouTube, the Department of Education. I thank you.